Hi guys, it's Rashmi Kaur and this is a requested video after my article got published in The Hindu dated 26 July 2020 entitled as The Screen Stereotypes. Now after that I got many questions regarding the procedure submission and what is open page, so I thought that instead of addressing them individually, let's make a video. So this is going to be a little comprehensive video so that at the end you're left with no doubt and you can directly start writing. So let's start. The first question I got is, what is open page? Now for that I have this newspaper. This is the newspaper of Sunday, The Hindu. Now on Sunday you also get a magazine. Now this magazine is only on Sunday. Now in that magazine there is a page known as open page, and in that page there are at least 5 submissions that are submitted by readers like me and you. So it is a page dedicated to reader submission from readers to readers, and it comes only on Sunday and no other day. So that's I think that answers your question. Next question is, what to write in open page? Please provide some tips. Now as the title suggests, open page, it is restriction free. You can write anything from trending to age old. Like my topic was on idolizing Indian women in Indian TV series, and the recent topics also include the articles on racism after the George Floyd case in US. So it can be anything, but I want to provide some tips because I have been reading this paper for past 5 years. So I think these tips will genuinely help you. So number 1 tip is avoid any political content or topic. Now although it says open page and there is no restriction in it, but in my experience of the past 5 years, I have never encountered any open page submission that has any political essence to it or was on political topic. That's not in my knowledge. So if you are planning to write for open page, I'll simply say avoid any political content or political topic. Second is a game changer tip, and that is the perception. So writing about the least talked about way or writing in an unusual way is what will make your chance of your article to get published. Not everyone I think would have written on racism, but only those articles got published which presented racism or which talked about racism in a way that is, I'll say, different, least talked about. In to put in simple language, I'll say it's like आपका नज़रिया अलग होना चाहिए. So perception, that matters a lot in this. And the third tip is a universal tip, that is read good, write good. Now if you're not reading open page regularly, or if you're not following it but you wish to send your article in this, so I think you should read at least 5 articles to know what the platform is demanding from you. And for that, if you're not reading, I have in the description box pasted links of 5 articles that I found genuinely good, and there is also the link of my article present. So if you wish to read that also, you can read. So in total there are 6 articles that I'll suggest you to read. Okay, that answers your second question. Moving on to the third question, that is the procedure of submission. It is the most requested question. The first things first, the word limit is 700 words. Whatever you write, whatever topic you choose to write, it should be within 700 words. That is the policy of The Hindu. And after that you start writing your article in MS Word file, of course, and then at the end of the article you have to write submitted by your name, and then you have to give your biodata in 6 to 7 lines. It has not to be a professional one. I'm going to read my biodata so that you can have a clear picture. So submitted by Rashmi Kaur. I am a -year-old student pursuing from university, and my hobbies include reading and writing. My works have been published in I have my own YouTube channel named Kitabi Bully Ladki, where I do book reviews and storytelling of my own write-ups, and I like to write on political and spiritual issues relating to women and transgender especially. So after that you have to write this line, and this is very must. This is very important line. It says, I certify that this is my original piece of writing, neither published nor under consideration elsewhere, and is exclusive to The Hindu. So you have to mention this same line in that, or any other line similar to this, so that there will not be any copyright issue. After that you have to give your postal address. Now full postal address means your PIN code, your state, your phone number, everything. And then your contact number also, and then your email ID, and that's it. Then you have to save this, and there's no prescribed format for font, but I kept it Times New Roman font size 12. Now after that you have done this, you just save this file, you go to your mail section, and in the composed mail, whatever you have written in this MS Word file from your topic to your postal address and email address, just copy it and paste it there and attach the same file there also. And then you have to mail it to openpage@thehindu.co.in. So this is the mail ID, and that's it. Congrats, you have completed the procedure of submission. Now the last question is aftermath. Aftermath means when you get to know if your article is going to get published. Now they will not send you any sort of mail that they have received your article or your entry, something like that, but it is their policy that within 8 weeks, if they are going to publish your article, consider it obviously published. If they are not, then consider it rejected. So you have got actually 8 Sundays in your hands. I submitted mine on 6th July. I got confirmation letter on 19th July and it published on 26th July. So you can safely say that if your article is going to get published, you will get a notification 1 week prior to the actual publishing, and you can actually celebrate for the whole week. So that's the procedure, how it works. And then you have to just make sure you get newspaper of that day, particular Sunday. But in case in any unavoidable circumstances you are not able to get the Hindu, you can always access your article online. I'm just gonna show you how. Okay, so you have to go to Chrome, Google. I have already typed it. It's open page The Hindu. The first link here is The Hindu. Now you will find many articles here. It is of open page. Now I'll show you mine. Okay, you will find here the screen stereotypes Rashmi Kaur. So that's how you will find your article online, and you can read it, share it, and enjoy it. But make sure that you search your article by your name and not the name of the article, because they may change the title as they did mine. So after that you get a lot of mail from across the nation, and sometimes from the abroad also, and it's a great feeling. Okay, so that's it. With that, I think I have completed all your doubts. After it got published, the next day I got a mail from The Hindu which read as, "Dear contributor, there is a token payment we need to make in your favor towards a contribution to Open Page in print. Kindly send us your bank account details in the attached form. Thank you for writing, Open Page Desk." Now this was something I or my parents weren't expecting. Now I am not going to tell you how much money I got paid, because money should not be the factor that should motivate you into writing. But this was something like Sone pe Suhaga. So with this, I think I have completed all the doubts. I have covered all the doubts, and if in case you have any other, you can always message me or mail me. Link is in the description box for my email ID and Insta ID. Until then, happy writing. Get your article published. Bye bye.